to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a beautiful fan-shaped flower arrangement. This arrangement is very easy to make. Let's start making the arrangement. Take your vase. Since we'll be using soaked floral foam, I want to waterproof the vases. I'll be making two arrangements today. Cut the floral foam, the soaked floral foam, into the shape of the container. The height of the floral foam is at least 1 inch above the height of your vase. I'm using palm leaves in this arrangement. To make my arrangement look a bit special, I have applied some glitter to the leaves. Trim the edges of the leaves and bring a nice fan shape to the arrangement. We can use even flowers or any long leaves, but insert in such a way that it gives a fan shape. I want to shape my palm leaves before inserting. To create the fan shape, the length of the leaves should be same. They should look like they are all emerging from the same point. Today I am making two arrangements for my altar. This design is used in church flower arrangements also. When we want to make this arrangement, we have to choose flowers with long stems, the line flowers like orchids, roses, carnations, etc. I am using orchids and carnations as line flowers. Cut the flowers in equal length and insert them on the top of the floral foam to create the fan shape. When you want to make two similar arrangements, it's better to make them both together at the same time so that they will look similar. I am finding this easier than making the arrangements one by one. I will show you how I am making both the arrangements together at the same time. Next, I am adding beautiful carnations. You can use any flower of your choice. Fluff the carnations before you insert them in the arrangement. Once we arrange the line flowers, we can arrange the filler flowers. Mostly in Western style flower arrangement, we normally use line flowers, filler flowers and focal flowers. This is my second arrangement. I am doing both the arrangements side by side. It is better that way. The arrangements are almost done. I am adding some baby's breath. Completely cover the floral foam from the back side also with some leaves. Our beautiful fan-shaped flower arrangement is ready to display now. This is another fan shape arrangement which I made. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching.